If you want to learn how to use Photopea text the fast and easy way, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add new text, change fonts, adjust size and color, fine-tune your typography, and edit existing text like a pro. This is perfect for beginners, content creators, designers, or anyone who wants to make clean, professional graphics without paying for expensive software. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Photopea and make sure your project or image is ready on the canvas. To add text, press T on your keyboard or click the Type tool icon on the left toolbar. Once the Type tool is active, click anywhere on your canvas to create a point text line. If you want text that wraps inside a specific area, click and drag to create a text box with borders. Then just type out your text. After typing, you need to commit the text so Photopea knows you're done editing that line. On Mac, press Command and Enter. On Windows, press Ctrl and Enter. You can also click the check mark in the top options bar to confirm it. This is an important step because if you don't commit the text, you may accidentally keep editing instead of moving on to the next part of your design. Now, let's talk about changing the look of your text. With the Type tool still active, look at the top options bar. This is where you can quickly adjust the main text settings. First is font family. Click the font drop-down and you can search for fonts like Montserrat, Roboto, or Futura. If you have your own font file, you can also click Load Font at the bottom of the list to upload a .ttf or .otf font from your computer. This is really useful if you want to match a brand style or give your design a more custom look. Next is size. You can type in a pixel size directly or use the slider if you want to adjust it visually. If your text looks too small, increase the size. If it feels too large or crowded, scale it down until it fits naturally into your layout. Then you have color. Click the color box to open the color picker and choose any shade you want. This is where you can make your text stand out, match your background, or follow a specific brand palette. You can also change alignment. Depending on your design, you may want the text left aligned, centered, or right aligned. Alignment matters more than people think because it can completely change the balance of your layout. For example, centered text often works well for posters, thumbnails, and title cards, while left alignment is better for clean, readable content blocks. If you want even more control, go beyond the top bar and use the character and paragraph panels. For deeper typography settings, go to Window, then Character, or simply click the teeth icon on the right sidebar. This opens advanced text controls that let you fine-tune the spacing and style. One of the most useful settings here is leading. Leading controls the space between stacked lines of text. If your paragraph looks too tight, increase the leading so the lines breathe more. If the text looks too spread out, lower it a bit to make the block feel more compact. This is especially helpful for captions, quote graphics, and any text-heavy design. Another powerful setting is tracking, which changes the space between individual letters. If you want a sleek, modern look, a little extra tracking can make your text feel cleaner and more premium. You may also see kerning, which is used to adjust the spacing between specific pairs of letters. That's a great tool when certain letter combinations look awkward or uneven. You can also use capitalization tools here. If you want your text to pop, switch it to all caps. If you want a softer style, experiment with small caps, subscript, or superscript, depending on the design. These small changes can make a big difference in how polished your text looks. Now let's say you already added text and want to edit it later. That's easy too. In the Layers panel on the right, find your text layer and double-click the T thumbnail icon. As soon as you do that, Photopea highlights all the text instantly so you can retype it, change the font, adjust the color, or fix a typo. This is super helpful because you don't have to start over every time you want to make a change. A quick tip here. Always keep your text layers organized and named properly if you're working on a bigger project. It makes editing much easier later, especially if you have multiple text elements on the same design. Also, remember that text in Photopea is fully editable only while it remains a text layer, so avoid rasterizing it too early if you think you'll need to change it again. So to recap, the process is simple. Press T to add text, click or drag to create your text area, type your message, commit it with Command or Control plus Enter, then use the top bar and character panel to style it exactly how you want. And if you need to edit existing text, just double-click the text layer thumbnail and make your changes instantly. If this Photopea tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy software guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more Photopea tips, design tricks, or beginner tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.